Good day, ma'am. I am Fralindeo Alan Fernandez, 28 years old, single. I graduated at Benguet State University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture and finished my vocational course of caregiving in situ at TESDA Imperium Training Center in Paete, Laguna. We are five in the family. I have one brother and one sister, and they are both married. I am the last child of the family. I live with my mom and my stepdad. I have experience in babysitting for 2 years at my aunt's in Baguio City, Quirino Hill, and also I experience being a service crew or cook in La Trinidad, Benguet for 1 year. I also do household chores like washing, cleaning, and cooking. Please choose me as your helper because I am hardworking, loyal, and responsible person. And also, I am willing to learn and adapt the living environment in Hong Kong. I promise to finish my contract and extend my contract as long as you want me, ma'am or sir. Thank you and God bless.